Hello, Namaste. I am Dr. Bhujang Shetty, eye surgeon from Narayana Nethralaya speaking. I would like to wish one and all on this 75th Independence Day a very, very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Namaste. I'm Dr. Sanket Bhatnagar. I'm the Chief Operating Officer and Consultant at Cataract Refractive Services at Narayana Nethralaya, Indiranagar. Happy Independence Day to all and Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Namaste. I am Dr. Prashant R. I am a consultant in Cataract and Refractive at Narayana Nethralaya, Indiranagar. Happy Independence to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hello everyone. I am Dr. Shilpa Das from the Cornea, Ocular Surface and Refractive Surgery Services, Narayana Nethralaya Eye Hospital, Indiranagar. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Hi all, I am Dr. Sadanand Shetty, Glaucoma Consultant at Narayana Nethralaya. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Pratibha Hande, Retina Consultant at Narayana Nethralaya, Indiranagar. Happy Independence Day to all of you.
Hello everybody, I am Dr. Anupama Kiran Kumar. I am a vitreoretina surgeon in Narayana Nethralaya, Indiranagar. Wishing everybody a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dishita Rathod. I'm a consultant in the Cataract and Refractive Department at Narayana Nethralaya, Indiranagar. As India celebrates its 75th year of independence, I wish you all a happy Independence Day.